So animation, okay, I'll select a rectangle. I want to animate this rectangle. Animate is what? Something interactiveness, something which you want to show as moving. So those kind of things, animations. I'll click on add to add an effect. Number of effects, I'm seeing them. So let me see. Checkboard, let's see each other. So see, I'm seeing a preview of checkboard over here. I'll just move it. I'll click checkboard. See, I just saw preview that how my rectangle will be appearing. I am happy with this. Yes, I am. So I'll click on OK. Now let me add animation to this circle. I'll click on this circle. Circle. Okay, I selected the circle. I'll click on add. Let me show it appearing as a circle. Yeah, good enough. See again. Good enough. I like this. So I'll select circle, click on OK, and I'm done. I've animated the slide. Let me animate my first slide also. I select scope SANDHAN. I will again add. Let me add boomerang. How does it look like? Yeah, like I like this. Click on OK. High. Let me select this high. I will again add an animation to high, like scroll down, glide. Yeah, this is good. Or let's say magnify. No, glide was good. I'll click on OK. So now I have animated my two slides. There is something called slide transition, but before that, let's have a look at what this will look like. So I will click on view. No, sorry, slideshow. I'll click on slideshow, select slideshow. Yeah, so let's see how it looks like. Scope SANDHAN. Hi. Next slide. My rectangle, my circle. Good enough. Click to exit the presentation. My presentation is over because I had just two slides, right? So okay, we talked of slide transition. Let's see what slide transition is. I'll select slide transition from this task pane. See, if you noticed, what we had the first slide. When it moved to this second slide, it just came abruptly. I want that to be animated also. So now that is slide transition. Slide transition, I will let, oh, this is so small, I can't see. I will make this bigger. Yeah, slide transition, like wipe left. Let's see how it looks like. Yeah, my slide will appear like this. Wipe left. I like this. So I will just move this scroll bar and click on apply to all slides, so that all my slides will have this kind of transition effect when they move from one slide to another. Apply to all slides. Okay, let's see how it looks in the presentation. So click on slideshow. Yeah, see, it is wiping it left. My rectangle, circle, done. Okay, so some basic things worked out with PowerPoint also. Rest of the things, because you have been using PowerPoint, you know how to do them in Impress also by far. Okay, so I won't get into much detail of this, but what actually I wanted to do was, okay, before that I'll save it. File, save. Same thing, I will give the name scope SANDHAN Impress. Where I will save it? On the desktop. Again, formats. Let's see what formats it has to offer. By default, it is ODF presentation, Open Document Foundation presentation, but it will allow me to save it as a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. And it is, yeah, here. Microsoft PowerPoint 2007 presentation, so the extension will be PPTX, or I can save it as Microsoft PowerPoint 97 2000, so the extension will be .ppt. I'll select this and click on save, confirm, yes, confirm, and saved. Okay, close this, open it from the desktop. Yeah, I have it. Okay, those two slides. One last thing, very small thing. I will now move this. Okay, you are seeing some tabs over here. Do you see these tabs? Okay, now the currently normal is selected. Let me select outline. These are certain different views in which you can see your slides. Notes. Okay, now this notes is very much important. See, if you want to see the look, I have my slide at the top and some text area at the bottom. So if I want to write some notes below my slides so that I can have it while giving my presentation, though the viewers of presentation will not see these notes, I will see it because I am presenting. So it will help me so that I don't forget some points in my presentation. So these notes are important. Handout. If I want to give my slides as a printout to somebody, this handout will be helpful. See, you see some boxes, some 6 boxes. Here my slides will appear actually. So I can give them as handouts to my viewers of presentation. Lastly, slide sorter. Some small images of the slide so that I can just have a quick view what my slides will look like, and I can rearrange them also. I will drag and drop. Okay, I can reorder them like this also, but usually we will use this normal view because it's good enough. We like this view, we are used to this. Okay, so this was all about LibreOffice Impress. I'll close this. Do you want to save? I'll save it. Chalo. File format, yes, confirm. Each time this will ask you to confirm the file format. Okay, so again, one more time, a quick review. What we saw today, we saw LibreOffice Suite, something really similar to Microsoft Office Suite. LibreOffice Writer, Microsoft Word. LibreOffice Calc, Microsoft Excel. LibreOffice Impress, Microsoft PowerPoint. Functionalities, the functions and the things you can do, perfectly same, no difference at all, right? Advantage, yes, LibreOffice is an advantage, it's free, so you can use it, no need to use those pirated versions of Microsoft Office, and no need to use those unlicensed and get stuck into issues of copyrights and all those things. Use LibreOffice, it's free, it's interesting, things are same, look and feel is same, so why not use it, right? I hope from now on you all use LibreOffice. I showed you the site, I give you the download instructions. Still, if you have confusion, you can always visit our website. I'll ask my friend Neil to guide you to the website of spoken tutorials so that you can learn the things in a better way. Okay, Neil.
Okay, so hello everyone. I think that you have learned something new today, how to use the LibreOffice from my friend Tadrash. As you all know that we are currently working on the project called Spoken Tutorial under the guidance of Ministry of HRD, MHRD, where we want that each and every kid in this country should be IT literate. But along with that, they also afford to learn these things. That is why we are giving importance to this free and open source software where no one has to pay a single penny to purchase this software or to use these softwares. I hope that you all have started exploring the Linux Ubuntu operating system that we taught you how to install in few sessions. Now what we want is that we are getting connected with you from this medium called Sandhan on air, but what we want is that the students and the faculty of your institution also conduct such kind of workshops at your own doorstep. You just write an email to us. We will confirm you the dates, or you can confirm the dates. We can come to your doorstep. We can teach you how to use this software, or we can also guide you from online, where we already have our Skype accounts from which we are going to monitor the whole workshop. And as we told you earlier, that if students appear in the exam and they will clear or they will secure more than 40% of marks, they will be given certification from the Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay, one of the most premier institute of our country. So we highly insist that the professors and the principals of each and every institute, please come forward. Please be a part of this initiative. Write an email to us. You can directly contact to Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay also. Go on their site. I will show you the site, that how to use and explore this site. Just have a look at the screens. As I told you, these are our email IDs where you can write email to us regarding to conduct the workshops. First email is of my friend Tadrash, TADRASH -106@yahoo.co.in. Second one is mine. It is Neil NWL_PA_number 25@yahoo.co.in. The given below link is of our site of the spoken tutorial. We will show you. This is our site, spoken-tutorial.org/new, where you can see one bar where the option is given select first category. Under this category you will see so many different free and open source software. You can explore to anyone. You can have tutorials, video tutorials, and do remember that these tutorials are also available in the native language, in the local languages like Gujarati. We have prepared all the tutorials in Gujarati also, so those who do not understand English properly or might having some problem to grasping the things fastly in English language, they can also opt for the Gujarati tutorials. These are completely video based tutorials where you can learn at your ease, at your pace. If you want to pause the video, you can also pause that and you can try the things so far you have learned. So again, I am requesting that the professors and principals to all the university, please write a mail to us. Please invite us to be there at your institute so that we can organize the workshops face to face. We can meet the kids. We can also teach the faculties how to use this. And one most important thing is that all these things are free of cost. Once your workshop will be registered, once your date will be confirmed, we will be sending you the kits of all the requirements with all the documentation and all other things, where you can just share those download files and all the things to your students, and they can also try that at their home. So as of now, for this session, me and Tadrasha are signing off. So we will see you next Monday. Hope till then you will try something new for the LibreOffice and also Linux Ubuntu system. Thank you.
Sandhan. All Gujarat Integrated Classroom.
સેટેલાઇટના માધ્યમથી જોડતી કડી એટલે સંધાન.